How's it going, everyone? Mike here with April 2nd, 2021 Merch by Amazon sales update. As you can see, total sales 10, 8 in the US, 1 in Italy, and 1 in Spain. Total amount of sales is about, what are we doing here? Let's see, 40 bucks. If we do the conversion, if I'm doing it quickly and hopefully right, close to $200, probably more 180, and total royalties of about 35 US dollars. Not bad. I might have actually spoiled it for you guys because when I was recording the video for April 1st, I was doing it later on in the day on the 2nd, and after I had recorded that video, I didn't get any more sales. So this number is the same as in the previous video. I just didn't talk about it in detail. 8 sales in the US, 1 return, and as you can see here, royalties of 145. Sorry, sales 145, royalties of about 25. By request, I've been asked to talk about some of the product types that are selling, and I actually don't mind doing that. As you can see here, it's pretty pretty much the same story, because standard t-shirts and pop sockets really stand out. Once in a while I'll get premium t-shirts and then phone cases. Actually, ever since I got this comment about product types, I've been really thinking about going forward. So basically my approach going forward was just to list, so as you can see here, I have about pretty much 20,000 of 20,000 live products. And again, I know I've told this story over and over again, but whoever's new and watching this, I'll just go over it again and then basically add the new idea that's come to mind. So out of these 20,000 products, let's say I have about roughly maybe 14,000 that I want up. And the designs or the product types that I want are standard and premium t-shirts, pop sockets, and iPhone cases at this point. And the reason is, for example, if we go back, let's look at the previous month. Let's look at the last 2 months. So if we go back to, let's go with February to today. What's today? The 3rd. I'll go 2nd. And if we look at all the sales, for example, and we look at the product types that are selling. Now, again, these are the 4 categories that I mentioned. I want my products to be listed in these 4 categories. But of course, I have thousands of products listed in all these different categories as well, or product types. And, once in a while, tank tops will sell, V-necks, hoodies, and all that kind of stuff. But the difference is so huge that now I'm thinking, because my approach going forward was to basically get rid of pillows, tote bags, and basically I think long sleeve t-shirts. I sell those maybe once a month, like maybe not even. And then a couple other product types that have really, really low sales. But now I'm thinking, I don't know if I only want to get rid of my tote bags and throw pillows. I'm thinking about actually getting rid of most of the other products, except I'm going to leave certain categories, so not a lot of categories on tank tops and hoodies. But I might not even actually concentrate a lot on that as well because of these numbers. So if you look at this, the difference really, really is huge. So for example, why would I take up 1,000, 2,000, maybe even 5,000 product slots for products that barely ever sell? So this is actually something that basically came up as a result of you asking me guys to talk about products that are selling. So let's say the best selling day in the US this week. And again, same story. You can't come, there isn't a hoodie, there isn't a long sleeve shirt or a V-neck or anything. Like, you'll see those once in a while, but again, I have thousands of them up. So anyways, that's just something that I want to kind of throw out there. I think I'm gonna spend some time and really dissect my numbers and everything more than I have been, just to kind of get a sense of where I actually am. I guess I'll go back to the numbers and just quickly. So 14 so far in the U.S. Let's see what we're looking at across the board. I don't think the difference is big. So total number for this month, 17. So hopefully it just keeps going that way, because this is pretty close to 10 a day, and my average, which is that's kind of where I want to be, at least for now, because I don't want it to go under that average, because that would mean that the sales would be kind of going down from the previous month. Anyways, things so far are going great, and I'm when I say I'm talking about the tier up from starting in March, going into April, very exciting. I've talked to a few people I mentioned in yesterday's video who have been getting tiered up, and this kind of stuff honestly really makes me excited, because merch is like, for example, you're gonna have days like this. You're gonna have days where you get 5 sales. But then you're gonna, for whatever reason, one of your products is gonna, sell maybe 15 or 20, and to me it's always exciting. Like, new month, start of a new month is so fresh right now that I don't know if I'm gonna get 100 sales this month or 500. It's exciting. I really like it. I'm really enjoying merch last couple of months. And I think there's a lot of opportunity. I think what I just need to do is, keep pumping out designs, keep listing products, and keep perfecting things, looking at the statistics, like I said, and, just not have any emotional attachment to things that are not selling. And it doesn't matter if I like the design or not. If it's not selling, it's not selling. This is a business, and we're here to make money. And that's kind of the approach that I want to take. So anyways, I'm just going to keep pumping designs out and see where April takes us. I hope you guys are having as much fun. Let me know how you're doing. Any questions, comments, especially people that are just starting out. Start a conversation down below, and hopefully, even if I don't respond to your question, maybe somebody else who's been in the game, for a while can give you some advice. But don't be hesitant or shy to ask any questions or share any experiences. That's it. I'm going to leave it here, guys. As always, thank you for watching. See you soon.